So in this CAD test, I will solve this CAD test. So we have to solve this CAD test within 30 minutes, and here you can see the instructions. So we have this A surface given. So this A surface is given, and we have to create the solid part. And so this is CAD test based on A to B surface creation. So the first instruction is we have to find the tooling direction and create parting line, and the thickness for this part is should be 1.5 mm, and don't modify A surface. So it is instructed that we should not modify anything in this A surface. So let's start now. So what I will do, I will first create one geometrical set for the A surface. Then I will again create one more geometrical set for tooling direction. Then I will just create one more for the B surface. It's like this. And now what we have to do, we have to first copy this and paste inside this A surface. And the first thing we have to do is we have to disassemble these things, these surfaces, and sorry, I have to define this surface, A surface first, and then I will disassemble it, and then I will join these surfaces again. Like this. Now what we have to do, we have to create the B surface. So before that we have to find the tooling direction first. So to create a tooling direction, I will create one line normal to this surface. So for that I will just create one point first on this surface, and in direction, sorry, here I will select normal to surface, and in surface I will select this surface. So this will be our final tooling direction. So now what we have to do, we have to create B surface now. So let's define this geometrical set, and now while creating offset, I will create some group of surfaces first. So for that I will insert one more geometrical set inside this B surface as extract. So here I will just extract some surfaces first. Like this, and then I will extract this surface and this surface, and finally I will extract this surface. So now what I will do, I will offset these extracted surfaces. So let's offset these surfaces now one by one. So the thickness is 1.5 mm. So now what we have to offset, we have to offset this one. Then I will offset this one, and finally I will offset this surface like this. So after this, what we have to do, we have to trim these surfaces now. So I will just trim the extra portion. So it is creating some error. So what I will do, I will just extrapolate this surface by 0.86 mm. So let's extrapolate it. Now the same thing we have to do on this side also. And finally I will trim it like this, and it's done.